Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure the Chromecast and your phone share the same Wi-Fi. That's essential for discovery. Once done, open the Google Home app and sign in with the Google account already linked to the device. Scan the main screen for the device card labeled Chromecast or the model ID, tap it. Make sure to wait until the device status shows online, because you can't rename it while offline, and that saves time later. Now you go into the core steps. Tap the gear icon to access device settings. Scroll to the name field, then tap it and type the new descriptive name you want, short, unique, and easy to speak aloud. Once you finish typing, press Save or Confirm. The Home app will send the update to the Chromecast over Wi-Fi. Make sure to monitor the on-screen confirmation. This ensures the name propagated to other devices and casting lists. Finish by verifying the new name shows up in casting sources like YouTube or the Chromecast menu. This confirms propagation. If the name doesn't appear, restart the Chromecast and your phone and reboot the router. Network caching often causes delays. Make sure to wait a few minutes after a reboot. If problems persist, perform a factory reset as a last resort, but do this only when all network troubleshooting fails, because it erases settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.